more than 4 decades, 40 years, the Marcoses have exerted every effort to try to prove that what the Yellow Brigade has been saying about them are not true. Only for Ferdinand Jr. in 2 years to prove that they were right. Napakabigat po yun. I hope the President realizes that his presidency now should transcend the exigencies of the moment and leave a lasting legacy, not just for the Marcoses, but for governance, good governance in our country. He has the chance. He still has the chance. Habang may oras pa, Mr. President, habang may pagkakataon pa, habang may natitira ka pang political capital na unti-unti nang nawawala. Can you imagine? Yung at tumulong sa'yo, yung popular, yun ang inaway mo, ang kinampian mo, yung mga isinuka ng bayan. Is that good political wisdom? At least your father would never have made such a mistake. Ang tatay mo, kung pwedeng mag-unite, kinakausap niya si Ninoy, kinausap niya si Bono Odasa. I know this for a fact. At nagtrabaho ko sa mga Laurels, constant stream of communication with the Laurels, although they were in the political opposition, lagi niyang kinakausap at kinukumbinsi niya to join him. Sana ganun din po. You should act with malice towards none, with charity towards all. Salamat po.
Thank you.